Right, she started running hot, and I suspected this, but... Alright, it's running a regen. Or I had to run it manually, I should say. So here's my dilemma. I got my Red Bull in there, and I usually pour it into my amino acids. But I don't even want to stop the machine, and it's way too bumpy to accomplish it. So I guess I'll debate it, but yeah, once you're rolling, you don't even want to stop. You want to just get the thing done. But at some point, I gotta stop. I gotta get some drone footage here, anyways. But every so often, you just gotta come and wipe the screens off. First time that temperature has moved out of them 2 dots. It's 90s and high humidity, so I went out and I wiped off the screens up in the front, and now she dropped right back into that zone. Beautiful. Hey guys, Kapper here, and welcome back. This episode is mainly for newer tractor owners, but there's a lot of people that don't fully realize what makes your tractor start running hot, or when it's in the summertime, your air conditioning starts getting a little bit warm. What I just showed, wiping the screens off on the outside, that's like only step number 1. And this applies not just when you're bush hogging, but anything you're doing outside in the dirt, because the dust is just as much of a culprit. So in this situation, I was bush hogging some large fields. It was in the 90s with high humidity down here in southern Illinois. And so this Kioti has been excellent, and it has not started running hot yet until this time. And I pay attention to those things, which you really should as well if you run a tractor, and this is why. So the first few hours it was fine. If it would come out of these 2 dots, which I really like on the Kioti, I'd just go out and I'd brush off the screens on the outside of the hood. But then she started running hot, like, you know, the needle starting to get close to the red. Of course, I did not let it get into the red. I'm going to show you what was causing it, and 99% of the time, this is what's going to cause your tractor to start running hot. And if you do this in the field, you'll be just fine. So let's check it out. Right, she started running hot, and I suspected this, but here's one thing I like about Kioti. I mean, I've watched the temperature, it never gotten to red, but these are beautiful removable screens you got here. So there was little wing nuts, so you don't need any tools. And you see that? You pull these out and you clean them. Now that's going to be a little challenge, but this should clear everything up right here. You see how loaded they are with powder and weeds and whatnot. Good deal. So then the other thing you got to check is this, your air intake. You could see the air filter still looks pretty good. Okay, this whole thing was packed with chaff, the whole thing, so it couldn't get air. It was starving for air. So this should bring us back down. I was able to get most of these coolers wiped off with my hand, so we should be in good shape. So in a nutshell, that's today's video. Long-time tractor operators are well aware of this kind of thing. It's simple, yet it can be very dangerous for your machine if you let it overheat. So once I got in there and I got my fingers in there and I cleaned everything out, all them screens, after that, the rest of the project, you know, it was over 20 acres of bush hogging. I finished it without, you know, the temperature even going out of those 2 dots. So hopefully this helps some of you if you enjoy watching bush hogging or tractor videos or excavator videos or land management or stuff. We appreciate it if you hit the like button, maybe consider subscribing and joining our family. So I'll catch you on the next go around, and part 2 of the bush hogging video on this 25 acres is coming out soon. So hopefully we'll see you there. Thanks a lot. We appreciate you guys being on board. Kapper out.